Hello everyone, hope you're having a good day today. I wanted to just give you a little short video, explain what I want you doing today in class. So today you and your lab partners are going to make your own acid-base lab. You're going to design it today, and then we will run it starting tomorrow and then Tuesday, since you don't have school Monday. And if need be, we can go over on into Wednesday as well. So in the Google Classroom, I've written up a sheet that kind of tells you everything you need in the lab, and here it is right here. So you'll need an intro and a background. That'll be worth 10 points. You'll need a purpose statement. That's worth 5 points. You'll need a materials section listing all the materials and everything that you need in the lab. You'll need procedures that list out the steps that you're doing in the lab in order and everything like that. And then you'll have a data and calculations. Of course, that'll be where you put all your lab data. And the final thing is you'll need a conclusion in the lab, and then a references at the very end where you get to cite everything that you discussed in the lab. So things that you can do for your lab. So in the lab you can do lots of different things. Anything related to acids and bases is fine. So it needs to be a kind of complex lab. So if you just get pops and test the different pHs of them, that's not enough. You could look at like the molarity of the acid and the pH. That would be something you could do. Or molarity of the acid and the pops, that would be something you could do. I don't want to give you too many examples because I want you guys to kind of find something. The only stipulation is that the lab has to be able to be tested inside the lab that we have here, so nothing too crazy. Some examples, I'll give you a couple examples. People have looked at changing the soil conditions, the pH of the soil, and then testing to see how that affects the plants that grow and stuff like that. I've had some people talk about taking different fruits and stuff like that and looking at, okay, how do different fruits, how do the concentration of the acid change in those. So anything is really open to you guys. I don't want to be too specific. Just make sure it's something that you can test in the lab. You will also need to find 2 outside sources that discuss the acid and base characteristic of the lab that you're doing. So plan through your labs today. Go ahead and write up your info, your background, your purpose statement, materials, procedures. We want to start the labs tomorrow. You'll need to bring everything with you tomorrow that you need. I will provide indicators, acid-base indicators. I'll provide acids and bases as well. So anything outside of that, though, that you need for the lab, you'll need to bring yourself. So have a good day. Be productive. Pick something that you think you'll enjoy. Don't pick a lab and make a lab that you think will just be easy. The more you enjoy the lab, or the more interested you are in the topic, the better your lab will be, and the more you'll learn from it. So you can go in and you can investigate like what makes acid rain, what concentrations of acid rain affect molarity and stuff like that. So have a good day. See you guys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow, and we'll start the labs tomorrow. Bye.